hit bowling! No hit bowling! No hit bowling! No hit bowling! Yung player ng Agila na nandiyan sa bleacher, baba po kayo. Last warning na yan ha, last warning. Bibigyan namin kayo 500 points reduction. No hit bowling, last warning. Last warning, hit bowling. 3 minutes, 40 seconds. Yung po mga spectators dyan sa bandang kabila, lumayo po kayo sa left. Next game, Idag versus Arsab. Idag, red side. Arsab, yellow side. Hit players, takbo! Hit players, takbo po! Takbo, takbo! Madulo! Okay! Dito!